Welcome back to WHNT News Mac-Teen, and today we are reporting on the horrible winter storm. And what's that? Do I hear ice on the roof? Oh my Lord. Well, it's been a horrible day, and we have a reporter on the scene.
Give me just a minute, and we will get over to him. How do you pause this?
Tape 4.
Hey, y'all suck.
Tape 4.
You press the button.
Tape 4.
Yes, this is AD reporting to you live from the winter storm. Hey, Killingsworth Cove, coming live to you. It's been a blizzard out here, and there's like 3 foot of snow on the ground. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it back. If I turn into ice, I'll let you know ice. Before I ever get back. It's so cold, I can't even hardly control my shivering. If you just look at the snow on the ground. Look at all that snow. Have you ever in your life seen green snow? It's green snow on the ground, y'all. It's Killingsworth Cove. It is cold, and we got green snow. Blizzard 2018, back to you.